guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial featuring the Too Faced Decade of Glamour palette. This palette looks like this. It comes with 3 lip glosses. It comes with, these are the Mirror lip glosses. And it comes with Don't Hate Me, I'm Perfect, and I Love Myself. I don't really know which one is which because they're not labeled, but those are the 3 of them. It comes with the blush in La Vie and Rose, which is a really pretty shimmery pink color. I'm going to put it on later. And then it comes with the Chocolate Soleil matte bronzing powder. And then it comes with 9 eyeshadows. These are them. I might do a full review a different time because I can't really go into detail about each of these eyeshadows right now. But write a comment if you want a review. So I'm going to be using a lot of products from this palette, but I'm also going to be using random non-Too Faced products. And so yeah, let's get started. So, okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is prime both of my eyes. I'm using Urban Decay Power Potion. And just bring this all the way up to the brow bone, you know, the usual thing. Just use like a ring finger or middle finger or something. Okay, the shadow that I'm going to put on first is called George and Weezie. And this is, it's not really showing up true to color. It looks white on camera, but it's really like it's like a white gold. It's very shimmery and it looks really great on the lid. And I'm just going to use my Sephora Professionals small shadow brush. And then I'm just going to put this all over my lid. Okay. Okay, so the next shadow that I'm going to use is called Glamour. And it is this kind of pink, shimmery, baby pink, neutral color. I'm just going to put that on the outer half of my lid. And you don't really have to blend these together too much right now because we'll use our crease and outer corner color to do that. So, okay, so the next shadow that I'm going to use is called Milk Chocolate. And it's just a really nice chocolate matte brown. I'm going to be using my Body Shop eyeshadow blending brush for this. Looks like that. And then what you're going to want to do is just put this right in the crease. Don't use too much because we are going to do a outer corner color later on. So just do a delicate crease like that. Do you see that in there? Okay. Then I just do it on both eyes. Okay. So once you've done that, the next thing you're gonna do is get a new brush. This is the Sephora Professional Smoky Eye brush. And it just looks like this. It's like a really small pencil brush. It's really good for doing the outer V. So there's 2 options of colors that you can use for this. There is Dirtbag, which is kind of a darkened reddish brown. And then there is Label Whore, which is a brown with a lot of blue reflexes. Today I'm going to be using Label Whore just because it's my favorite color of any Too Faced thing ever. I have another palette and I'm almost done with it. Just want to outline your outer V. And we can go back and blend this on that if you do a bad job, so it's not like There's a lot riding on this. Didn't do a terrible job, but I didn't do an amazing job there. That's a little better. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the other eye. Okay. Just kidding, not ready. Okay. So once you've done that, if you need to blend it out, you can. I kind of like it this way. But the next thing I'm going to do is apply a highlight color. And there's actually no good highlight colors from here, for my skin tone at least. I think that for a lot of skin tones, George and Weezie could be a good highlight color, but for me it's a little too lid-esque and a little too yellowy. So I'm just going to be using a Sephora shadow. This is an Aspen Summit. It's one of the free shadows that like everyone has. But I'm using, this is a Sephora Oliver Shadow brush, and it's like one of the really fat, chunky ones. So really great highlighting brush. I really recommend this. This is kind of a dramatic highlight because it's very opaquely white to it. I like it. Okay. That's it. You can also, if you rather have a more of a dramatic look, this is very neutral right now, but if you'd rather have more of a dramatic, you can put one of these two on the lower lash line. This is Party Girl and Neptune. Neptune looks really, really, really stunning just smudged along your lower lash line, but I don't really want to do that right now because I'm actually going to be wearing this today, so I kind of need to make it look appropriate. This is kind of where I get like more daring, I guess, with my eyeliner, and this is Wet n Wild's cream liner in Eggplant. I think it's the purple one. It just looks like this. I think I've talked about this in other videos probably, but it's really pretty, and I'm just going to apply this on my upper lash line. Very, very thin line. I'm just using a regular angled brush. Short, small strokes, just going. Okay, so I didn't apply that much because I don't really want that much, but I think even on camera you can kind of, yeah, you can see the purple. I think that looks really pretty, and I'm sure, I don't know if purple is supposed to bring out brown eyes. I don't really notice it doing anything like for my eye color, like bringing it out or anything, but maybe purple is supposed to do that with another color eyes. I'm not really sure. Computer. Okay, so I'm done with that, and then this is optional. I really don't think you need to have this. It's just a personal preference. I'm going to apply black eyeliner. This is from NYX, just on my waterline, but you don't have to if you don't like the way that looks. So I didn't apply very much because I think that the purple eyeliner is kind of enough. But let's move on to face and lips. No, first we're gonna apply mascara, and this is just Sephora mascara. This also is free. I actually really like it though. I also have Lash Blast, but I kind of prefer this to Lash Blast, which is weird because everyone loves it so much. Just gonna do one coat, not like a really dramatic lash. Okay. Oh shoot, I forgot my brush. Okay, so now we can move on to face and lips. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I already have foundation and concealer and whatever else I need on, but the first thing I'm going to do is take this bronzer. And I'm going to use this complexion brush from Sephora. It's just this big, really big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to lightly dust this all over my face. And since it's matte, it looks really natural and you can't really tell you're wearing bronzer, which I prefer. I would never wear a shimmery bronzer. And sometimes I like to contour, but I'm not really in the mood. So there we go. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this e.l.f. Professional Total Face Brush and just take some of the La Vie and Rose blush and just put this on the apples of my cheeks. And this does have a little bit of gold reflex, but I think on the cheeks that looks kind of pretty. Okay. So, since this doesn't come with a lipstick, I'm just going to use my own. This is from Wet n Wild. This is the I don't know. This is just their matte lipstick, I guess. And this is the 901B. I'm just going to lightly apply this all over my lips. So I'm just going to do that and then I'll come back. Okay. So this is like a Barbie pink. I look kind of silly with it on, but once I apply lip gloss, it looks better. So I'm just going to use this light pink gloss. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this light pink gloss right here. I'm just gonna use my finger because I don't know, I don't really feel the need to use a brush with this. So that's all that I'm going to do today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.